Kurerikana gikundi kiu gia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu kia Marie Stops International giacereire thukuru uyu wa Archbishop Boniface Secondary iria iri mwena wa Mangeru Kitui ya ithwiro kiumia kihituku mari na kigwatio gia gutara airitu no thutha ucio kuhe airitu acio ndawa cia kubanga uciari.
So ni kitu tumesikia na ni kitu mbaya sana, na ndio imenifanya nikuje hapa kama women rep ya Kitui County, because my first role is to take to spearhead the needs of the women, the youth, and specifically watoto girls who are young.
Undu uria utumite Murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ino Irene Kasalu gwikinyia thukuru-ini uyu na kuria airitu aria maheirwo kana gwikirwo ndawa ici mathie thibitari marutwo kuona ni ugwati munene hari miturire yao.
So one day you also want to be called doctor like Dr. Kasalu? Yes. So also one day you want to be the women rep? Yes. So that's why I'm here. And please, we encourage you, if that has happened, you also come forward.
Oroho kumenereria gikundi kiu na njira nene hamwe na urugamiriri wa thukuru ino matongoretio ni mwarimu wao munene Andrew Kwale na kuria airitu aya mathingate githomo na matigetikira gwikuruhania na maundu ma urathoni.
So anybody telling you about family planning is doing the wrong thing. Kama ni family planning ni ile ya kuzwa kwa shule, ya kukuja kufanyiwa exams na upite exams when the higher education level.
Riu nioritie ministry ya githomo kuingirira ndeto ino na gwika uthuthuria wa naihenya kuona gikundi giki kingerekererio ni giguthukia ciana nyingi cia airitu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangeci Wanjane.